Hello children. Our next topic it is comparing fractions. Comparing fractions, it means we have to compare the given fractions which is greater or which is lesser. Now first of all, let us take the example of the like fractions. What are like fractions? Like fractions are the fractions which have the same denominator. So here one fraction I have taken. Here in this, the 3 parts out of 8 are shaded. So I have written the fraction as 3 by 8. And in the next, how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 parts out of 8 are shaded. Fine. So here you can clearly see that which fraction it is greater. It is the second fraction 5 by 8, because in this out of total 8 parts, how many parts have been shaded? 5 parts. Fine. Similarly, if we consider our next example, here total 4 parts are there and 1 part out of 4 have been shaded. Fine. So how we can write the fraction as 1 by 4. And in the next, here 3 parts out of 4 have been shaded. So how we will write this fraction as 3 by 4. So here from the figure only it is clear which fraction it is greater. 3 by 4 fraction it is greater. Why? Because out of the 4 different parts, 3 have been shaded. Fine. And here in 1 by 4 it was only the one part. So what we have to remember is that it is clear that for the two fractions with the same denominator, when the fractions they have the same denominator, the fractions with the greater numerator it is greater. Where it is greater numerator, here 3 was greater, so this fraction will be greater. Similarly, here the 5 numerator was greater and the denominators are same. Fine. So which fraction was greater? 5 by 8. If I take an example of 1 by 5 and 3 by 5, these two fractions are there having the same denominator, but numerators are different. So numerator which is greater, that fraction will be greater. So it means which fraction it is greater? 3 by 5 is greater than 1 by 5. Now the unlike fractions. Now let us see what are unlike fractions. So unlike fractions are the fractions which have the different denominators. Unlike fractions with the same numerator. Now we are considering the example where the numerators are same. So 1 by 3 represent one part out of 3 have been shaded, and 1 by 5 represents one part out of 5 have been shaded. So now which is greater? You are confused here because here one part it is shaded and here also one part it is shaded out of total 5 parts. So in unlike fractions having the numerator same, we are having here the numerator same but the denominator it is different. So in these type of cases, the larger the denominator, smaller is the fraction. So which is having the larger denominator, that fraction it is smaller. So which fraction it is smaller here? 1 by 5. Similarly, in 1 by 8 and 1 by 9, 9 is having the larger denominator. So this fraction will be smaller, and which is the greater fraction? 1 by 8. In the third example, 1 by 7 it is greater than 1 by 9. Why 1 by 9 it is smaller? Because it has a greater denominator. Now moving towards our exercise 7.4, our first question it is, write the shaded portion as fractions and arrange them in ascending and the descending orders, putting the proper sign. Fine. So here see in the A part how many parts have been shaded? 3 parts. And how many are the total parts? 8 parts. So what the fraction will be? 3 by 8. Similarly in the next it is 6 parts out of 8 have been shaded. So what the fraction will be? 6 by 8. Now in this part 4 parts out of 8 have been shaded. So what will be the fraction? 4 by 8. And the last here 1 part out of 8 have been shaded. So how we will write its fraction? 1 by 8. Now we have to arrange these fractions. You can see here all the denominators are same, है ना, and the numerators are different. Fine. So in this case the smaller numerator is a smaller fraction. So which one it is our smaller fraction? 1 by 8. After that which it is there? 3 by 8. So 1 by 8 it is smaller than 3 by 8, and which is greater here? 3 by 8. After that 4 by 8 and 6 by 8, it is the greatest fraction among all these 4 fractions. Now similarly moving to our next part, it is B part. How many parts have been shaded? 8 parts out of 9. And here how many parts have been shaded? 4 parts out of 9. So we have written 4 by 9. 3 parts out of 9. So we have written the fraction as 3 by 9. Here 6 parts out of 9 have been shaded. So we have written the fraction as 6 by 9. Now all the denominators are same and numerators are different. So numerator with the smaller value is smaller. So 3 by 9 is smaller than 4 by 9, then 6 by 9, and 8 by 9. It is our greatest fraction. The C part, it is show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. So when we have to represent the fractions on the number line, the first thing we have to see, the denominators are same. Yes, all the denominators are same. The next thing which we have to check, that we have to arrange these fractions in the ascending order. So we have arranged the fractions in the ascending order. It is 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 6 by 6 and 8 by 6. Now these 3 fractions are less than 1. Yes, and the 6 by 6 it is 1. But 8 by 6 it is having the numerator greater than 6. So it means this fraction it is greater than 1. So all these our fractions lies between 0 to 2. Okay. Now 2 by 6 we have already divided the number line in the equal parts. So first fraction will be 0. The second will be 1 by 6. Then 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. This one will be 5 by 6. Again 6 by 6. Then 7 by 6. And this will be 8 by 6. Now we were to locate 2 by 6 only. So we can circle it. 4 by 6. We can circle 6 by 6. That stands for 1. It will be 1. And next it is 8 by 6. Now next it is that we have to put an appropriate sign, greater, smaller or equal to. Now it is having the same denominators. So the fraction with the smaller numerator, it is smaller. It means which is the greater fraction? 5 by 6. So here it is 0 and here a fraction it is given. So it means this is greater. Now it is 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. Same denominators. So fraction with the greater numerator, it is greater. So 6 by 6 it is greater than 1 by 6. Now next part, the denominators are same. It means numerator. So bigger numerator fraction will be bigger. So 8 by 6, it is greater than 5 by 6. Thank you.